your index in the survey which has been if it is presented. I will also look at what are the projections head-wise, like whether it's home, PWD, and we will see whether the budget is in a position to accommodate the assurances being given, or will it be moonlight as it was last year.
So last year it was implemented, you feel, as per your expectations?
Let us see the report which they give, because one thing is what we feel and another thing what the report they present. I will also give you one warning. They will present a report of work done till December 2023. Last year also same thing was done. And they will not give it up to 31st March. Next year we have not reached 31st March. And then they will say there's 20%, 30% which has to be accounted for, because in the last period they rush with works. So we will take that into account also when we are considering whatever we make statement, and we will see how it fares.
So you are almost aware what exactly it would be like?
You have to have a hint of things.
Thank you.
Thank you.